In this video, we'll see solution of the Lagrange's linear partial differential equations of first order in the form PP plus QQ is equal to R, where small p is del z by del x and small q is del z by del y. I'll explain you the working method for solving the problems of this kind. Given the equation of the form PP plus QQ is equal to R, we need to now note down capital P, capital Q, capital R values. Its auxiliary equation is of the form dx by P is equal to dy by Q is equal to dz by R. Substitute the values for capital P, capital Q, capital R and try to, by considering any two ratios, okay, put those two ratios in the form f of x into dx is equal to g of y into dy, or g of y into dy is equal to h of z into dz, or f of x into dx is equal to h of z into dz. So that by integration we can get the relation in x comma y or y comma z or z comma x as the case may be. Obtain two solutions in the form u of x y z is equal to c1 and v of x y z is equal to c2. Then general solution of equation 1 is phi of u comma v equals to 0. Suppose if it is not possible to put the ratios in the form f of x into dx is equal to g of y into dy, or g of y into dy is equal to h of z into dz, or f of x into dx is equal to h of z into dz. By that time we need to use the properties of ratio and proportion. One such property is if a1 by b1 is equal to a2 by b2 is equal to a3 by b3, then each ratio is also equal to k1 a1 plus k2 a2 plus k3 a3 by k1 b1 plus k2 b2 plus k3 b3, where k1 k2 k3 are known as the multipliers. Okay, by choosing the appropriate multipliers we need to convert that as a integrable function. That is the meaning. I'll explain you the problem on Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. First problem is solve xp plus yq is equal to z. It is of the form pp plus qq is equal to r, where capital P is equal to x, capital Q is equal to y, capital Z r is equal to z. Its auxiliary equation is dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. Substitute for p, q, r. Dx by x is equal to dy by y is equal to dz by z. Consider any two ratios. Okay, first I consider the first two ratios. Dx by x is equal to dy by y. Okay, there the variables are separated on integration. Integral of 1 by x dx is equal to integral of 1 by y dy plus some constant of integration added log c1. 1 by x integration is log x is equal to 1 by y integration is log y plus log c1, or else we can put that in the form of log x minus log y is equal to log c1, or else logarithm of x by y is equal to log c1. Cancel log on both sides. X by y is equal to c1 is one solution. Now I consider the last two ratios. Dy by y is equal to dz by z. Again there also the variables are separated on integration. 1 by y integration is log y minus 1 by z integration is log z is equal to constant of integration is log c2. Log m minus log n can be written as logarithm of m by n. Logarithm of y by z is equal to log c2. Cancel log on both sides. Y by z is equal to c2. We obtain two solutions. So the general solution of the given partial differential equation is phi of x by y comma y by z is equal to 0. One more problem. Solve p cot x plus q cot y is equal to cot z. It is also of the form pp plus qq is equal to r. By comparing p is equal to cot x, q is equal to cot y, r is equal to cot z. Auxiliary equation is dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. Substitute for p, q, r. Consider the first and last two ratios. 1 by cot x is tan x into dx is equal to 1 by cot y is tan y into dy. Variables are separated on integration. Integral of tan x is log secant x minus Integral of tan y is log secant y is equal to, I added constant of integration as log c1. Log m minus log n is log of m by n. So that secant x by secant y is equal to c1 on cancellation of log on both sides. Similarly, tan y integration is log secant y minus log secant z is equal to log c2. Okay. Take log secant z to this side and cancel log on both sides. Secant y by secant z is equal to c2. General solution of given PD is phi of u comma v is equal to 0, or phi of secant x by secant y comma secant y by secant z is equal to 0. One more problem I'll explain you. Solve. Y minus z into p plus z minus x into q is equal to x minus 5. Here p value is equal to y minus z, q is equal to z minus x, r is equal to x minus 5. Its auxiliary equation is dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. Okay, here if I consider the first two, last two, or the first and last, any of the ratios, it is not possible to separate the variables. By that time, we need to use the properties of ratio and proportion. By choosing the multipliers 1, 1, 1, each ratio is equal to 1 into dx plus 1 into dy plus 1 into dz divided by 1 into y minus z plus 1 into z minus x plus 1 into x minus y. In the denominator, minus y plus y minus z plus z minus x plus x gets cancelled. Dx plus dy plus dz is proportional to 0. So, therefore, dx plus dy plus dz is equal to 0, which is integrable on integration x plus y plus z is equal to c1. Again, using the multipliers x comma y comma z, each ratio is equal to x into dx plus y into dy plus z into dz divided by xy minus xz plus yz minus yx plus xz minus yz. Okay, each term in the denominator gets cancelled. Therefore, x into dx plus y into dy plus z into dz is proportional to 0, or else x into dx plus y into dy plus z into dz is equal to 0, which is also integrable on integration x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2 is equal to c2, or x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2c2. Thus, the general solution of the given partial differential equation is phi of x plus y plus z comma x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0. Okay, here the question arises to you, how to choose the multipliers. We need to choose the multipliers in such a way that the denominator must be equal to 0 and the numerator must be the integrable function. And so in that way we need to choose the multipliers. This is we are getting that through practice. You practice it, definitely you are able to get it. That completes the solution of the Lagrange's linear partial differential equations of the form pp plus qq equal to r. In the next video we'll see the next topic. Till that, take care, bye.